Alright, now it's time to download and install the Python in your Windows and Mac computers. Alright, I'm on the Python website. So here you can download Python for Windows. So it will have also a Mac version also. You can just search it here. So just click on the download button and it automatically can download it. So I already downloaded the Python, so I'm gonna just still open it. And after I click the open, it will give me a setup. Now I already installed the Python in my computer, so they will have a installation guide here. So just need to click the installation and it automatically start Python in your PC. After completing the installation, just click on the close button. After you close it, now it's time to set the environmental variables for the Python to work in the Windows and Mac. So open your search bar and enter environmental variables. Alright, now we have environmental variables. Click on the environmental variables, and now after opening the variables we have to change the path. Alright, so we have all the paths of the system, but we don't have the Python path. So click on the new, and now in this you need to write the Python path. So my Python path will be in my document, right? So I just need to go to user and click on the my name folder, and here I just open the app data. Alright, local, and then programs, Python, and this is my Python path. So sometimes the Python install your Python folder in the local disk C. You can go and check it. Alright, but if you don't find that, it must be in the app data. So copy it and make new, paste it here, and click OK. Alright, so if you don't find the app data, then go to the view button. Alright, and in this view button, check the hidden files. Okay, so you can see the hidden app data files. Alright, so we enable the environmentals for Python. Now we're gonna open the CMD to use it. Alright, now type Python in it, and once you write the Python, it's gonna start the Python prompt for you. Now you should write your first program. Let's say we're gonna print out the hello world on our console screen. So I'm using a print function, and in this print function I'm gonna use a parenthesis. Now in this parenthesis I'm write hello world. Alright, so click enter. So we get printed hello world. So Python is working absolutely perfect. Alright, so now we want to use Python from the Sublime Subeditor or any other text editor. So what you can do, open just text editor. Alright, so before we need to create a Python file. So right click new and make a text edit. Now change this text edit to py. Alright, this is the file extension of the python.py, and I'm going to change it to test. Alright, yes, we're going to change it. So you can see that it changed to Python file now. But if you're going to change the file extension, then you need to go to the view and check the file name extension. Then you can have option to change the file extension. Alright, so let's go to our Sublime editor, close it, and folder, take this and drop it here. Alright, so let's again make a program and write hello world again. Alright, now Control S, open your command prompt, close and reopen your command prompt. Alright, now type cd to get the directory where your file is present, and now go to the folder and copy it. So why we write cd? Cd is function in the command prompt to get the directory. Alright, write the directory here and now press enter. Now we enter into the directory. So type Python and then name of the file test.py, and when I click enter, it's gonna print hello world. So this is how you can run your Python file from your text editor. So I hope you like this installation video, and I will meet you in the next upcoming classes, and we're gonna learn more about Python in the upcoming classes. So be ready for it, and happy coding.